Hey, real talk. Your money is just sitting in your bank account doing absolutely nothing. What if it could actually work for you while you sleep? In today's video, I'm breaking down investing in the simplest way possible, what it is, how to get started, and the 3 biggest mistakes beginners make. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start with the basics. Investing simply means putting your money somewhere so it grows over time. Here's a quick example. You've got $1,000. Leave it in a savings account. A year later, maybe you've got $1,010. Cool, I guess. But if you invest that same $1,000 in the right place, it could turn into $1,200, maybe even $1,500. That's not luck. That's the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more your money snowballs. Albert Einstein literally called it the 8th wonder of the world. And honestly, he wasn't wrong. Now the real question, where do you actually put your money? Here are 3 beginner-friendly options. Number 1, index funds and ETFs. This is honestly the best starting point for most people. You're basically buying a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. Low fees, low stress, and historically solid returns. Warren Buffett himself recommends these for everyday investors. Number 2, high-yield savings accounts. Super safe, zero risk. You're still earning way more interest than a regular savings account. Think of this as your parking spot for money you might need soon. Number 3, individual stocks. This is where it gets exciting and a little risky. You're buying shares of specific companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Higher potential reward, but you gotta do your homework. Alright, step by step, here's how to start today. Step 1, open a brokerage account. You need an account to invest. Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood are all popular options. It takes like 10 minutes to set up. Seriously, less time than watching a Netflix episode. Step 2, set a small, realistic goal. Don't stress about becoming a millionaire overnight. Start simple. I'm going to invest $50 this month. Small habits, big results over time. Step 3, set up automatic contributions. This is the secret weapon. Automate a fixed amount every month. Set it and forget it. No willpower required. Your future self will thank you. Now let me save you from the mistakes I see beginners make all the time. Mistake number 1, waiting for the perfect time. I'll invest when the market dips. I'll start next month when things calm down. Here's the truth. There is no perfect time. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Mistake number 2, putting all your eggs in one basket. Going all in on one stock because your cousin said it's going to blow up? Bad idea. Spread your money across different investments. That way, if one thing tanks, you're not wiped out. Mistake number 3, panic selling. The market drops 10% and people freak out and sell everything. That's how you lock in your losses. Markets go down, markets come back up. They always have. Stay calm, stay invested. Alright, let's wrap it up. Investing isn't complicated. It just feels that way because nobody taught us this stuff in school. Start with $50. Open a brokerage account. Buy an index fund. Set it to auto. Done. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe for more money tips every week, and drop a comment below. What's been stopping you from investing so far? I read every single one. See you in the next one. Let's get that money.